You tryna play coy like a Game Boy? Hit my phone, boy. Is your homeboy? Are you alone, boy? Come get me, dome boy.
Okay, guys. So today we're going into the Amazon sphere. Энэ нөгөө юундаа гардаг? Batman Superman дээр гардаг. Билдэг шиг.
Got a boy with degrees, a boy in the streets, a boy on his knees, he a man in the sheets. Sheesh, it's all Greek to me. Got this boy speaking Spanish. Ay, papi. Baby, I don't need you. I just wanna freak you. I heard you a freak too. What's 2 + 2?
The one thing about college life is that you don't have the right to buy any fancy drinks. You should only just drink water because honestly, oh shit. Хай устус магадгүй. Фэнси яга усах хэрэгтэй гэдэг чинь усан дууссан та яах вэ нэ? Oh yeah. Okay. 자, Amazon Sphere food review.
Кофеноос гоо сайн биш юм биш хүмүүс яаваа гэдэг.
Хитэрэлээ. Okay. Yeah. 자. 대충.
Чи ганцаараа таргал. Ганцаараа бизээгээл.
Ми жимник клип.
Үзээний клип оруулах. За хүмүүзээ үзтэй.
Нүүр мэт. Нэрэж чихэндэг.
Би жаахан амсаа.
Yeah. I would say donut and arvas corona. I don't really like it. Тэг уусал янз юм.
Зарваа.
Уусал араа.
Mississippi boys and the city boys. I like the pretty boys with the bow tie. Get your nails did, let it blow dry. I like a big beard, I like a clean face. I don't discriminate, come and get a taste. From the playboys to the gay boys. Go and slay boys, you my fave boys. Baby, I don't need you. I don't need you. I just wanna freak you. I want it. I heard you a freak too. That's right. What's 2 + 2? 4, 3, 2.
Amazon Sphere is Arab. We're going to the Museum of Pop Culture. Yaha. Let's go. Under the museum.
Нэг юм цэлмэг өдөр авах хэрэгтэй юм лээ.
Also, one thing about college life is that Олсон юм ал хэрэгтэй чи. Basically, Jimi Hendrix get legendary гитарчин дуучин байдаг. Тэр хүн болохоор ингээд Seattle-аас гарч ирсэн хүн юм байна л да. Тэгээд энэ минь бүх юмуд ер нь бүгдээрээ ингээд in honor of Jimi Hendrix гэсэн тийм их зөндөө байдаг. Бараг rock гэдэг биш.
Марио.
Now we're at the gaming center and at the intelligence exchange.
Here.
I honestly don't know what's going on. As you can see, I'm a rock. The Rock, the Dwayne Johnson. So welcome to another episode of Let's Play Gumball. Today, we're gonna rock this.
This is so boring.
What is this? Imagine yourself living as a rock. This is it's just boring. DJ 네.
Turn off.
Guitarists intentionally overdub.
Ana sorchana. Ana sorchana. So one thing that you should know about me is that I'm a singer.
Хоёлыг ямар шиг орилхондээ. Ямар шиг орилхондээ.
Yeah.
Even it up, even it up.
Even it up,
Even it up,
even it up,
even it up,
even it up, even it up, even it up, even it up, even it up.
Ямар тэнэг.
That's called no more smiling. 3,
Jonas.
2, 1.
Oh, that's